Hey there, health heroes. Welcome to Health and Medical-Pedia. Today, we're going to tackle the ultimate question: how to lose weight and keep it off for good. From magic pills to miracle diets, we'll separate fact from fiction and explore the latest medical research on weight loss. So, buckle up and let's get started. Weight loss pills, the truth revealed. First up, let's talk about weight loss pills. Do they really work? Well, the answer is yes, and no. While some pills can help you shed pounds, others are nothing more than scams. So, which ones are worth trying? Let's take a closer look. The dark side of weight loss pills. But, there's a darker side to weight loss pills that you need to know about. From heart problems to liver damage, some weight loss pills can have serious and even life-threatening side effects. Let's take a closer look at the risks associated with weight loss pills. Modern methods of weight loss, what works and what doesn't. Now, let's explore some modern methods of weight loss. From surgery to apps, there are many options available. But which ones are safe and effective? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of each method. Natural methods of weight loss, the power of nature. Now, let's talk about natural methods of weight loss. From yoga to herbal supplements, there are many ways to lose weight without resorting to surgery or pills. So, which natural methods are backed by science? Advanced medical research on weight loss, the future is now. So, what's on the horizon for weight loss? From gene therapy to stem cell therapy, researchers are exploring new and innovative ways to help us lose weight and keep it off. Let's take a look at some of the most promising advances in weight loss research. Debunking common weight loss myths. And finally, let's debunk some common weight loss myths. From low-fat diets to quick-fix solutions, there are many misconceptions out there that can derail your weight loss journey. Let's set the record straight and separate facts from fiction. For example, did you know that low-fat diets aren't always effective? While they may seem like a healthy option, many low-fat foods are highly processed and contain added sugars. And what about quick-fix solutions like weight loss pills and fad diets? These may promise rapid weight loss, but they're often unsustainable and can even harm your health. So, what's the truth? The key to successful weight loss is a combination of healthy eating habits, regular exercise, and patience. It's not about following the latest fad diet or relying on quick fixes. By focusing on sustainable lifestyle changes, you can achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight for the long haul. Conclusion. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of weight loss. Remember, losing weight is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and reducing your risk of chronic diseases. By combining modern methods, natural methods, and advanced medical research, we can achieve our weight loss goals and live healthier, happier lives.